Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about different materials and where they come from. Different objects are made from different materials. This train is made from wood. This tap is made from metal. And these balls are made from plastic. But where do these different materials come from? Some objects are made from wood. Trees for wood are grown in forests. They are cut down and taken to factories where the objects are made. Paper is also a material made from trees. At a paper mill, logs are crushed into small fibres and mixed with water to make a pulp. This pulp is squeezed and rolled out, removing the water, making a flat material called paper. Rock is found in the ground and is good for building strong walls. Wool comes from sheep. When a sheep's wool is cut, it does not hurt the animal. The wool can be dyed different colours before being spun into threads, which can then be made into woolly jumpers, hats and scarves. Cotton comes from plants. It is picked and made into fine threads which can be used to make fabric and clothes. Different types of metal can be found in rocks under the ground. These are dug out and used to make different metal objects. Plastic is a man-made material made in factories. It is made from oil, coal and other chemicals and materials. Plastic objects can be made with different properties. It can be bendy or rigid, hard or soft. Glass is also made in factories. It is made from sand and chemicals. This mixture is melted and shaped to make a range of different objects. For your hands-on activity, group objects together based on the material they are made from. For more information about this activity and more activities related to materials, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, Exploring Materials. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!